Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to access game files on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and the main Steam interface appears, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see several menu options there and you'll want to click on Library. This section houses all the games you own and have installed on your system. After clicking Library, you'll notice a left panel that displays all your installed games. Go ahead and click on the game you want to access the files for. This will bring up detailed information about that specific game in the right panel of the interface. Now, in the right panel where your game's information is displayed, look for a gear icon. Click on this gear icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. Once the menu appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Manage. This will expand into another submenu with additional choices. From this submenu, select Browse Local Files. This action will immediately open a File Explorer window that takes you directly to the folder where your game is installed, making it incredibly easy to access, modify, or review any game files you need. Alternatively, if you prefer a more manual approach, or if you've saved your game files in local disk C or D, you can navigate there yourself. Simply click on the local disk where your Steam games are stored. Once you're in the drive, double-click on Program Files x86. This folder contains most of your installed applications and games on your system. Next, double-click on the folder named Steam. This is the main directory where Steam stores all its data and game files. Inside the Steam folder, you'll need to double-click on Steam Apps. This particular folder is crucial because it contains all the content related to your installed games, including game files, updates, and additional data. After opening Steam Apps, double-click on the folder labeled Common. This opens the exact folder where the game is installed. Inside Common, you'll find individual folders for each of your installed games, and you can now access all the game files you need. And that's it! You've successfully accessed your game files on Steam using 2 different methods. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.